Hello there, welcome to Chuo, your trusted guide to university programs and career paths. We're a team that's passionate about helping students like you make informed decisions about your education. In today's video, we're diving into the bachelor's degree in computer science, what it's all about, what you'll learn, and where it can take you. Let's get started. So what's this course about? A bachelor's degree in computer science is your gateway into the world of technology. It's a university program that teaches you how computers work, how to write code, how to solve real-world problems using technology, and how to build the systems and software we all rely on today. Think computer architectures, websites, apps, cybersecurity, data analysis, and even artificial intelligence. This degree covers it all. Now let's talk about the core curriculum. What do you study? You'll start with programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. These are the tools you'll use to talk to computers and build applications. Then there are algorithms and data structures which help you solve problems efficiently. You'll also explore computer architecture to understand what's inside a machine and how it works. Other key areas include software development, databases, operating systems, and computer networks. And depending on your program, you may get the chance to specialize in fields like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data science, or even game development. What are the key things you'll take away? By the time you graduate, you'll be able to write and debug complex code, design and build software systems, and use critical thinking to solve real-world problems. You'll understand how to manage data, how computer systems communicate, and how to keep them secure. But more importantly, you'll develop a mindset that helps you adapt, because technology is always changing. That ability to keep learning is one of the most valuable skills you'll gain. Where can this degree take you? The career options are wide and growing. You could become a software developer, building apps or enterprise tools, or a web developer working on websites and interactive platforms. There's demand for data analysts and data scientists who make sense of information, and for cybersecurity analysts who protect systems from attacks. You might also explore mobile app development, game development, or machine learning engineering. Other roles include database administrator, systems analyst, or IT project manager. The great thing is, these careers exist in almost every industry. What makes this course unique? Computer science is incredibly dynamic. You'll build things people use, from simple apps to complex systems. It's a course that gives you flexibility. You can work in a company, launch your startup, or even go freelance. It's also a future-proof choice. Technology is a huge part of our world, and it's not going anywhere. What are the challenges? Let's be honest, it's not always easy. Computer science demands logical thinking, attention to detail, and perseverance. You'll spend hours debugging code, learning new tools, and sometimes feeling stuck. You'll also need a solid foundation in math, especially early on. But if you enjoy solving problems and are ready to keep learning, these challenges become exciting rather than frustrating. So, is a bachelor's in computer science right for you? If you're curious about how technology works, enjoy problem solving, and want a career that's full of opportunity, then yes, this might be the perfect course for you. It's a launchpad to some of the most in-demand and well-paying careers in the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want a breakdown of another course, leave a comment below and contact Chuo team for more guidance.